We want to talk to you about this particular campaign that we shot with great director Mr. Ikram Kohli. So the reason why we've also shot this, are shooting this in a basketball court right now is because of a mutual love for basketball. Both of us grew up playing basketball as a sport, and the campaign that we've shot right now also is around the entire theme of basketball, because I think basketball as a sport really teaches you a lot. When you're playing alone, when you're shooting alone at night, at day, and when you're playing with your team, obviously being a team sport, it teaches you a lot about leadership, it teaches you a lot about culture, it teaches you a lot about maintaining relationships. But the most important lesson that I have learned from the sport is that you're only as good as your last shot. So you got to keep on hitting. Even if you make a shot, you don't know if you're going to make the next one or not. Even if you lose a shot, you don't know if you're going to make the next one or not. So I think it's just about being repetitive in what you want to do in life and just keep on going at it, whether you're missing or whether you're making it. So I think that's what life is all about. Just going at things that you really, really want with a lot of passion, a lot of desire, and that's why we started this brand. Again, another reason why we kind of chose this campaign of doing basketball, but we've not showed a team playing together, but it was like an individual who was going against himself, is that as Palak kind of believes herself that life is mostly about showing up every single day. Come day or night, come rain or sun. It's just about you waking up, putting your shoes on and walking yourself to the court and start shooting.
Yeah, the act of the task, the doing part is what that's it.
Absolutely.
And you have to pass the ball to yourself sometimes. Like, nobody else might do that for you, but you have to do it for yourself. Like, ask yourself, do it, try it, find it.
But keep on doing it and keep on passing the ball to yourself and no one else's. Because I know the world can kind of get cruel sometimes, and sometimes you might feel that you don't have anyone to talk to. But always remember that you have to be your own biggest cheerleader. And it all starts by clapping for yourself, and then the room kind of starts clapping for you if you believe in yourself and do things that kind of resonate with that feeling of you showing up and just doing stuff without the hope of a result. I think that is what most of us are chasing constantly, results, but sometimes in life, just fuck the results and do things for yourself and just enjoy the process.
Yeah, make yourself proud. Like, that's all that matters.
Yeah, keep on shooting.